Hello everyone, this is Entomologist Josh back with another episode of Pinsect, and this is part 2 of Moth Bonanza, where in today's episode we'll be pinning 4 moths. The moth I am starting with, that you can see on screen now, is a second generation male Selenia dentaria, aka early thorn. As always, I don't actually quite like pinning moths because I find it really difficult and I have no idea why, even though it's probably the easiest type of insect, as well as butterflies, to actually pin. Anyway, as with all lepidopterans, you put a piece of paper, in my case tracing paper, over the wings to spread them out, and then pin the tracing paper over the wings, not through the wings, foreshadowing, but over the wings. And then you just want to ease them out with a pair of tweezers or a pin to get them spread out like they would be not naturally. That's kind of the whole point of spreading out moths and butterflies. Especially the thorns, which are very strange in terms of moth. At rest, they have their wings up together like butterflies do. Now I'm pushing the moth body down so the wings are a bit more flat. The second moth of today's video is a white-speck, scientific name Athymna unipuncta. I should also mention that all the moths in today's video were collected in Barrow, Asturias, Spain, when I went on holiday there a couple weeks ago. I could have recorded, however, because I was on holiday I didn't really want to, so instead have a few photos of some moths that I found, and maybe some of the landscape. This next moth is a lettered China moth, Diasemia reticularis. I also wanted to say that I will be working on another episode of entomology soon. However, as I'm recording this, I will be moving to university to do zoology with entomology, if you're at Harper Adams, hello, in less than a week. So it will be a very big change and I will need to settle in, but another one will be on its way soon. Anyway, enjoy. last moth of today's video is a green carpet, scientific name Cholestigio pectinitaria. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching another episode of Pinsect. If you enjoyed and or learned something new, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. It would also be greatly appreciated if you could like, comment and share this video. See you next time for another episode of Pinsect.